Hi guys, welcome to MrPurpleTech. We are starting a new series on smart home devices and we are going to teach you how to start your smart home from scratch.
Yeah, really from scratch, from the first device to the wackiest one and the interesting ones. I mean, look at the table. We have Gosen smart light lamps. We have
Ring doorbell.
switchboard, the switchboard for the curtains. We have Echo Dots, obviously. I mean, we prefer the Amazon. We'll see if we can also bring you some of the Google as well. We have doorbells, we have
strip lights, we have cables, we have smartwatches and everything. So all of this is going to be part of your smart home, which will allow you to have a fully equipped and online home.
So that you can be more lazy, you know. We want to help you stay in the couch. All right, so stay tuned. We're going to be releasing new episodes for our smart home series.
So all of these devices are provided by a sponsor, it's Quality Store. So you can get all of them on their website or on Jumia, they are there as well. So if you're in Ghana, go check them out.
All right, so Quality Store sponsor for the channel, providing all these devices as Kevin just said, and stay tuned. See you guys. Peace.